Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Dodge's 1994 to 2001 Ram 1500. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Remove the front fender liner. Unbolt the core support and lift it to create working clearance. Step 3. Cut off the factory core support along its base where it is welded. Avoid cutting into the frame rail. If the frame rail needs repair, grind the mounting area to bare metal and apply weld-through primer. Install the required frame repair kit before proceeding. Step 4. Grind the work area clean and apply weld-through primer if needed. Position the replacement core support mount using the factory silhouette for alignment. Step 5. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the mount in place, then fully weld all edges. Step 6. If any additional components were removed to install a frame repair kit, reinstall them now. Finally, apply a rust-inhibiting top coat. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Once dry, reinstall any removed lines or brackets, then lower and reinstall the core support.